How's it going on, everybody? I'm Jose, aka Wolfie, and thanks for stopping by the channel. Today we'll be working on the third brake light. As you can see, it's not working, so bought this in Amazon. We're here to replace it, so hope you guys enjoy. Y para mi gente latina, gracias por el apoyo siempre. Gracias por aparecer en el canal. Yo soy José, aka Wolfie. Ya como pueden ver, vamos a bregar hoy con la luz del freno que no está prendida, se lo vamos a complacer. So, manténganse en sintonía. First thing we'll do, obviously, like a chunk out of the baúl. Take out these clips. He doesn't have all of them since the car's used them. So they took them out a couple times, so obviously they get lost. Pues no tienen tantos clips, pero obviamente me imagino que la gente los ha quitado y se pierden. Dueño anterior. So, no, seguimos. One left, this one. Get in there. You guys can see, let me just take off real quick dust from it is right here. We need let these go, take off the switch, this switch right here, and we'll be there. Alright. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, sorry for that. The camera died on me. We took out one of the bolts out. We're using a size 10. Please unplug here. Go. That should come out. What you got this to? 30. I've never changed this. Oof. Definitely not. So here we have it. Alright, here we have it. Let's see if the other one works. Oh yeah. Brand new. Hope that it works. Just goes here. Alright, the issue of the rubber was I had it backwards. Now it's ready to go. Okay. I'm going to throw me in the middle. Usarla, you gotta use this and just your hand. Hopefully it's one nice and straight. We'll check it out right now. Okay, let's see. Yep, looking pretty good. bad boy's aligned. Is it? That's pretty straight. Let's check this bad boy. Check out. Make sure this is aligned. It looks straight. Okay, now I can finish. Make sure that's not it. Now time to pull it up too. Hold on. Over this down. There you go. Nice time. Okay. One more tooth. Now, there you have it, guys. Well done. Now we're ready. Thanks, guys. Let's see if it works. Oh, yeah. Woo! Nice. We got him. Got the brakes going. Nice. Pretty proud of myself. Lo logramos, mi gente. Lo logramos. Ya tenemos la luz del freno del baúl. So yeah. It was a little quick fix, but obviously this is what we're doing, quick fixes. So if you enjoyed, remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Appreciate the support. God bless. I just want to let you guys know that I appreciate it. Yeah, you guys stop here for a little bit, and it's simple stuff. I'm not a wow YouTuber, but I'm trying to make the channel grow for personal reasons, and also for love of cars. So thanks again. Hope we could make this channel keep growing, and peace and love. See ya. Para mi gente latina, gracias siempre por el apoyo. Se me olvida. Y nada, vamos a hacer que el canal crezca. No soy un youtuber wow, pero poco a poco hacemos las cosas por amor a los autos, y nada, también por situaciones personales que quiero de verdad que el canal suba, y así llegamos los mis suscriptores. Se me cuidan.